Starting with the performance, the RTX 5080 is essentially a refined gaming GPU compared to the RTX 4080, the 4080 Super, and the RX 7900 XTX. The performance compared to these three is not going to wow away anyone, but it offers around 10% more performance while consuming 10% less power. In seriously demanding titles like Alan Wake 2, you can expect 60 FPS at 4K with the Ultra preset and ray tracing enabled and set to high. The RTX 5080 consumes just about 280 watts of power at these settings, while the 4080 approaches 300 watts and the RX 7900 XTX consumes almost 350. The 5080 outshines all of these similar cards in ray tracing. Both the RX 7900 XTX and the RTX 5080 perform similarly at 4K at the same quality settings, but as soon as you turn on ray tracing, the 7900 XTX trails behind the 5080 by a substantial margin. In Cyberpunk 2077, the 5080 cruises smoothly at almost 70 FPS at 4K high settings with ray tracing enabled, while the 7900 XTX only manages around 30. Another key area the RTX 5080 shines is in AI workloads. The only GPU faster than the 5080 in AI is the RTX 5090. Compared to the RTX 4090's 1321 AI tops, the 5080 can handle 1801 AI tops, making it almost 30% faster than the RTX 4090 for AI. The RTX 4090 is still around 10% faster for gaming at 4K while consuming 35% more power. Moving on to the visuals, it's clear that the MSI Shadow RTX 5080 doesn't seem to care too much about looks and aesthetics. It looks a lot like any other simple monochromatic card that refuses to bring any attention towards itself. The MSI Shadow is a nod to a simpler time, before everything became infested with colorful lights. If you hate RGB, you'll love the look of this card. Looks aside, the build quality is good, but I can't shake the feeling that it should be better. The backplate is made of metal, and the fan shroud is made of really hard plastic, which does beg the question, why not go for a more premium build material? The card is, however, free from any sagging, because it's lightweight thanks to the lighter material. It weighs just a hair above 1 kilogram, is just under 12 inches long, and takes up just a little bit more than 2 PCIe slots of space, making it an excellent compact option. Now, if we take a look at other RTX 5080s, we see that there are a lot of options from PNY, Gigabyte, Asus, and Zotac. The main reason the MSI stands out above the rest is price. Every other variant is either out of stock everywhere or almost twice as expensive. Now, this comparison is quite unfair to the MSI Shadow RTX 5080 because it has its own merits. It's one of the most compact air-cooled 5080s despite having a TDP of 360 watts. This is incredibly impressive because every other GPU is a quad-slot monstrosity that requires a ton of room inside a PC case. MSI showed everyone that you don't need to water-cool your GPU to reduce its size. In conclusion, the MSI Shadow RTX 5080 is an amazing GPU for anyone looking for an uncompromised gaming and productivity experience. It isn't the cheapest 5080, but it is certainly the best option right now. To sum up, what I like is the incredible 4K gaming horsepower, the impeccable AI performance, and its compact size. On the downside, high price and lack of generational gaming improvement. Thanks for staying till the end. Remember, you can check current prices in the description below.